Hey everybody out there, appreciate you watching this. This is going to be sort of a semi-unboxing since it's already out the box, but I got a neon sign from Myneon. It came with all the brackets that I need here. Nice packaging. They took the time to make sure that it was all organized for me in order to wall mount it. Some wire here. And then you have my sign. This is reading rainbow. I'm going to be using this for a super pretty secret thing that I have going on, but they gave me the sign. Very good price out of all the neon signs, and I think I got maybe 4 or 5 quotes. They were not only the most cost effective, but they had the friendliest customer support. They were really cool, so this was nice. And you see, this is good tubing. Like, it's really nice. It's really thin. It's thinner than I thought it was going to be, and that did not impact the brightness at all. So as you can see here, really good work. They did a really good job. You can get the different backboard that you want. If you wanted it to be the same shape as this, if you want it to be a particular shape, I went just to keep it simple, so it's easier to mount, easier for me to deal with. Just a rectangle, just to keep it simple, a simple rectangular shape. It came with an outlet. Came with this here, and what's funny, and the remote, this is the LED controller. And what's interesting is they will email you instructions, very simple, didn't need the instructions. It seemed pretty self-explanatory. You had 2 wires here, and then you had one here, which was the only one that had a hole in it for the outlet. So obviously, plug these 2 into those 2, plug this into the only one where you can put it in, and then plug that in there. And then once you do that, you can get your remote, and then you can turn on. Look at that. Look at that brightness. That is incredible. That is so cool. And then you can even adjust here. You can adjust light if you want to start adjusting the light down, though it's much slower to do it that way. You see it's going down, but it's much easier to just do the percentages. So 10%, 20%, different all the way back up to the 100%. And there's even different modes you can do. This mode here, it's kind of an interesting little flash one. Then that there, that. So there's all kinds of different modes, and then you can control the speed in which it does that. I can make it go faster. So normally I just plan on kind of having it light and just kind of blinding people as I go by. But yeah, that was it. It was very simple. I love it. Came with everything I need. Easy instructions when I get ready to mount it. So yeah, take a look. It's in a buck, you know what I mean? But thank you, Myneon. I really appreciate it. This was awesome.